Right, okay, hi everyone, this is just to show you how to do a quick tuck-in slot if you don't have dies, and this is what I used to do before we had our dies. So this is a piece of decorative paper and I've got an equidistant line marked on both edges. Okay, so I'm going to take my trimmer, and you can do this with a craft knife and a ruler. It's impossible to do with a guillotine.
You can't do it with a guillotine.
Okay, right, so what I'm going to do is line up my blade on the first...
Do you want to zoom in a bit?
Yeah.
Can you move in that way?
That way?
Then towards you. Okay, that's
okay, right, so the trimmer blade's got actual little notches where it's starting to cut, so I'm on one line of this here, and I'm going to go all the way up to my other line there. Okay. So I've got one cut drawn there, and I'm literally going to move the paper a smidge across and go back down to the lines there. So I've got a little tiny amount cut out. I don't know if you can see it, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're going to take your crocodile and you're going to push it
towards me.
Can you see?
A bit towards me if you can. That's it. That's good.
Okay. Right. So I'm just making sure. Right. Okay. And you're going to punch there, and you're going to do exactly the same.
Okay. A bit towards me again.
Can you see?
That's it.
And you're going to punch. Okay. And that.
And towards.
I'll show you that. Once that's stuck down, that's your decorative slot. Okay, so you don't have any pierced edges or stitched edges, but it's just a way you can do it if you don't have any of the dies.